Okay, let's see what I got. Thought I'd treat myself to that. Oh, I got myself a pair of Primark leggings. Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I've just dropped the kids off at school and nursery, popped to Sainsbury's to get some fruit for the kids. And I tell you what, all I want to do is sit in this room and do nothing for the next 2.5 hours until I get Cooper. But I have told myself that I'm going to do a bit of a declutter. This morning I'm going to declutter wardrobes, I'm going to declutter toys, shoes and anything else that crosses my path. I'm going to be brutal today and have a purge on the house. I feel like it's needed. I'm also going to share a couple of tips that I've seen online over the last couple of weeks that have inspired me to do this declutter. Let's get started. I'm going to dedicate like an hour to it and then I'll still have time to sit right here before I get Cooper. That's the plan. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to do was go into my wardrobe and start clearing this out. I got myself some bin bags. And I already had some things that I had cleared out like a few days ago. So I started by putting those in the bin bags. That was a good place to start. Got me in the mood to start decluttering. So I opened up the drawers and I thought I'll take everything out and start with sort of a blank canvas. And I sorted through all of my tops, deciding which ones I'm going to keep, and anything I was going to donate went in the black bag. Also, these drawer dividers, if you're wondering where they're from, they are super cheap. I found these in B&M. So then I just repeated it with the next drawer, which was my trousers and jeans drawer. Oh my gosh, some of these like haven't fit me since before I had kids. I don't know why I've clung on to them. So it felt good to have like a really good cleanse and a really good sort out and just keep the things that I actually wear. And again, same with the third drawer, I just took everything out. I got way too much swimwear, joggers and things that I don't even wear, so had a really good sort out here, moved the dividers around a little bit, and yeah, just kept the things that I actually think I'm going to use. Next up, I moved on to shoes. Like, honestly, I don't even remember like buying some of these shoes. I don't wear heels anymore. Like, I'm a 33-year-old tired mum who never goes out. Like, I don't know why I even have some of these shoes. So I really was quite brutal here. Got rid of a lot of stuff ready to be donated to someone who will actually wear them. Then I moved up onto my rails, started sifting through my sweaters and jumpers and things, and again I was pretty savage. I have got rid of a lot of things. Also, I saw this hack on Instagram and I went through all of my hangers and I turned them backwards. So the idea is that at the end of the year, if there's anything that is still backwards, it means you haven't worn it for a whole year and that it's time to get rid of it. So I turned everything around and I'm going to see what is left facing the wrong way next year. So this was the amount of hangers that I was left with, which means this is the amount of stuff that I cleared out, which is pretty crazy. I'm just going to put them down here for now until I find somewhere for them to live. But this is what I was left with for donations. Again, I cannot believe how much that I got rid of. But into the boys' toy area, and it's time to have another cleanse. I'm going to go through each of the toy boxes, being really brutal, thinking about what they actually play with, and I'm only going to keep the things that the boys really enjoy. Anything else can be donated to another little boy or girl. I don't know, some of this stuff is so random, like, yeah, I'm actually keeping that because he likes that. Don't ask me why. Cooper has a very unique taste in toys, shall we say. This box here was already semi-organised, which was handy from when I worked with Temu a couple of weeks ago, and they sent me these cute little storage bags. So luckily I didn't need to sort through this box and the job has already been done for me. This massive basket is full of Peppa Pig toys, which I'm going to have a sort through. Some of them he doesn't play with anymore, so I'm just going to keep his like favourite bits without him noticing, and I'm going to donate the rest of the stuff, and I'm just going to put all his favourite bits in this box here so that that big basket is actually no longer needed. It is a gorgeous big IKEA basket, so I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'll have a little think, but it means I've freed up this corner to put his other sort of big toys when I want them out of the way. But there you go, 2 whole bags full of toys that I've managed to clear out. I love you. Okay, I'm gonna show you a little Primark haul to finish the video. That seems a bit random, but I went last week and I filmed what I got, but it was quite a mini haul and it definitely wasn't enough to justify a whole video, so I thought I'll pop it into this video and do like a combined thing. So I'm gonna end the video with my little Primark haul. Enjoy. Hey guys! I am just breaking this video up slightly because I went to Primark yesterday and I haven't been to Primark for ages, and I thought I'd show you guys what I got. But I didn't want to do a whole excuse me, I didn't want to do a whole dedicated Primark haul video because I didn't get many things, but I still wanted to show you, so I thought I'll do my normal sort of everyday life video that you guys love, but then I'll also show you what I got in Primark. Kind of merge the two together. And I've just filmed a video that required me to be very pink, if you're wondering why I'm looking super pink today. Okay, let's see what I got. I got some new joggers. Do you know what? I was wearing joggers the other day. I mean, I've been living in loungewear for a while, not been very well, if you're new here. And I noticed my joggers are absolutely rancid, and it made me sit and really think about how old those joggers are, and I'm not even gonna tell you how old my favourite joggers are because I'm horrified. They're covered in stains, they're gross. What? I'm talking pre-kids, these joggers. So I'm taking the leap and I'm replacing them. And Primark had some lovely joggers. Super soft, which is essential. I just thought some basic grey joggers so that I can actually stop wearing my super old and filthy joggers. I got them in a size small and they were £7. I mean, they might shrink in the wash because £7 sounds way too good to be true, but look who's growing up. Look who's getting new joggers, finally. Oh guys, this was my star buy. Obviously I love an oversized jumper, sweater. I saw this one. How cute is she? I wanted a large because all my jumpers I love to get large. They didn't have a large. Obviously a lot of people have the same idea as me, but they had a medium which still looked pretty big, to be honest. Who is Paula Echevarria? I don't know who that is, but this is her range, and it says bonjour, obviously, and it's super soft, nice and thick. Doesn't feel like a Primark jumper, you know. It was £15. Thought I'd treat myself to that. I got some joggers for my toddler. We love joggers in this house, clearly. I got him a pair aged 2 to 3 years and they were only £3.50. Crazy prices. Hello, Pen. Come here. Come say hi. Who's this? Hey, what are you up to? There's a lot of dog personality in this cat. Like, she really follows us around the house. She's very sociable. Doesn't like being in a room on her own. So wherever we go, she goes. She's doing really well. I got this bodysuit. I love a bodysuit with mum jeans or joggers. And this one was super cheap. Just a black ribbed bodysuit for £8. And it had a few little like button poppers at the front, which I thought was quite cute. I got that in a small because I thought it looked quite big. I'm a size 10, although technically small in Primark is 10, isn't it? 10 to 12. That'd be an easy thing to throw on. I got 3 pairs of jeans for my eldest. He's finally had a little growth spurt in his legs. We are a short family. Seems he's finally had a little growth spurt and his jeans no longer fit him. So we needed lots of jeans in age 6 to 7, so I just got a blue. They're £6 each. A blue, a black, and a grey, because then you've got a colour for every occasion, right? He hates wearing jeans. I have to convince him to wear jeans if we're going out somewhere nice. So he'll probably hardly wear them. Oh, I got myself a pair of Primark leggings as well. I thought these looked nice and fitted. I liked the like little detail on the back, like the little side pocket here. It's got like a hem all the way down the side. I thought it was just quite detailed, nice thick leggings for £10. So I thought I'd get those because girl, I live in leggings. And there you go, I told you it wasn't much. Definitely not worthy of a full Primark video, but I wanted to sneak it in somehow. Now she's chasing her own shadow.